In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset Shopify theme to default. When people say they want to reset a Shopify theme, what they usually mean is that they want a clean original version of that theme again, without all the edits and customizations that have built up over time. Shopify does not have a single reset button that instantly restores everything, so the best way to get back to the default look and settings is to add a fresh copy of the theme and then publish it once you are ready. To begin, go to your Shopify admin and open Online Store, then go to Themes. This is the main place where Shopify keeps your current live theme and any other themes you have saved in your theme library. Next, scroll down the page until you see the section called Popular Free Themes. This section helps you quickly access Shopify's free theme options. From here, select the option to visit the theme store. This will take you to the Shopify theme store where you can find the original versions of free themes. Now make sure you are working with a Shopify free theme such as Dawn. These are the themes that Shopify provides directly, and adding a new copy is the simplest way to get back to the default setup. Once you locate the theme you want, click Try Theme. This action adds a clean, unedited version of that theme into your theme library. After the fresh theme version has been added, go back to your Themes page and look in your theme library section. You should now see the newly added theme listed there. At this point, you can open it in the theme editor and begin customizing from scratch, using the default theme as your starting point. Take your time here, because publishing will make this new theme the one your customers see. When you are satisfied with how the fresh theme looks and feels, click Publish to make it live. If you want an extra safety tip, make sure you are publishing the correct theme by double-checking the theme name in your library before you confirm. And that is all there is to it.